The clock ticks toward 9:15 a.m. in Mumbai. For an intraday trader, these final pre-market minutes dictate exactly how the rest of the day will unfold. Every morning at the National Stock Exchange, large institutional players leave a massive footprint, detailing exactly where they are placing their capital for the day. The problem is that most retail traders draw their support and resistance lines only after the market starts moving. By the time the lines are on the chart, the opportunity is gone. They are simply trading hindsight. We are going to fix that. We will use large language models as our personal data scientists to extract precise, objective intraday levels before the opening bell even rings. Moving away from manual guesswork and letting AI parse the raw data is the most effective way to align our charts with institutional money from the very first minute of the session. To trade the Nifty 50 successfully, we follow the option writers, large institutions with enough capital to dictate market direction. For these players, support and resistance are not arbitrary lines. They are specific price zones protected by heavy capital, and we can track exactly where that money is sitting by looking at open interest. Looking at this chart, support acts as a mathematical floor created by high put open interest. Above, resistance forms a ceiling driven by call open interest, marking where institutions bet the market stops rising. By identifying these two specific data points, we know exactly where the institutional floor and wall are positioned for the entire trading day. Step 1 begins at 8:45 a.m. We do not need a premium trading terminal to get this information. We just need the raw pre-market data. We navigate directly to the NSE India website and open the Nifty 50 option chain. This table shows a lot of noise, but we only need to isolate these two columns, call open interest and put open interest, across active strike prices. We can highlight and copy this raw text straight from the browser. Large language models are built to organize messy, unstructured text instantly. Passing this task to an AI replaces 20 minutes of manual spreadsheet tracking with 2 seconds of instant processing. For pasted data, ChatGPT Plus or Claude 3.5 Sonnet work exceptionally well. For live web analysis without copying and pasting, Perplexity is the best tool for the job. Screenshot this exact prompt. We instruct the AI to act as an expert analyst, locating the strikes with the highest open interest. Notice that we also require a tactical reasoning column. The AI must explicitly state the mathematical logic behind why each specific level matters. Finally, we ask it to calculate the overall put-call ratio. This gives our baseline market sentiment, instantly showing if the market is overbought, oversold, or neutral. This specific structure prevents the AI from generating conversational fluff. It forces the model to act as a disciplined data scientist, outputting actionable intelligence. Here is the output from a recent Nifty session. The AI identifies a strong resistance wall at 23,500, a massive support floor at 23,300, and a put-call ratio of 1.15. A ratio of 1.15 indicates mildly bullish sentiment. This tells us our highest probability play for the day is to look for buying opportunities when the price dips near our 23,300 support level. Nifty dips towards the 23,300 mark. We never trade blindly. We wait for a specific bullish reversal candlestick to confirm the institutional presence. Once confirmed at 23,305, we execute the long trade, place a tight stop loss just below 23,300, and capture the bounce toward resistance. The AI provided the mathematical zone, but the live price action provided the trigger. Combining pre-market institutional data with real-time technical confirmation is what yields a strict, professional-grade trading edge. Intraday trading is ultimately an exercise in discipline. When you hit your targets based on objective data, you close the terminal and walk away with a calm mindset. AI tools are excellent guides to cut through the daily noise, but they require human execution. Always wait for price action cooperation at your levels. You can find a copy of the exact prompt we used today in the description below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss our daily updates on AI-driven market levels.